when they install the meter, within 3 weeks they get 50% of the cost of the meter, and after that we give them the remaining 50% end of the year. But on my birthday today, I want to inform the taxi people. I have already discussed with the Honorable Chief Minister. In fact, I was supposed to announce it during the demand on the last day, but you know what happened. They did not allow us, and bulletin was applied, and we just passed the thing. I want to see that try to do it in such a manner that when they go to fix the meter, they will not have to pay the 50%. I'm in the process of doing that, but the 50% they will get end of the year. So at least 50% relief on दिवपाक करता. Already I file move करपा फुडल्या वीकांतली move करपा लायता. पूण माझी एकूच मागणी, जे कोण बसयला तांकां पयशे रिफंड मेळटले. फुडले सिरीजान आहा तांकां रिलीफ मेळटलो. I also understand the position. Tourist नासले, आतां जेवपा लागला, पयशे ना. So as much relief as possible आमी तांकां दिला. तेणी आमकडे कॉपरेट जावपा जाय. मिटर बसोवया डिजिटल. ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन मागीर वेवस्थीत जातलें, कोणाचे कंप्लेन आसपाना की आमकां ओवर चार्ज केले.